In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add picture in Canva template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your own photo into any Canva design quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and search for Canva. Click the official Canva website to head straight to the home page. This ensures you're using the correct platform with all of the tools we need for uploading and placing images. Once you're on the site, make sure you're logged into your account. Being signed in lets Canva save your changes automatically and keeps your uploads available across your designs. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile icon in the top corner. If not, use the login button and continue. From the homepage, click the Create or Create a Design button. This is your starting point for any project in Canva. You can also use the search bar here if you have a specific design in mind, like a social post, presentation, or flyer. Next, choose what you want to create. Select a preset size or a ready-made template that matches your project. When you pick one, Canva opens the editor with your chosen template on the canvas ready for customization. In the editor, look to the left sidebar and click Uploads. This is where all your imported images live. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the default side panel and not inside another tab like Elements or Text. Click Upload Files, then select the photo you want from your computer. You can also drag and drop the image directly into the Uploads panel if that's faster for you. Large or high-resolution images may take a moment, so give it a second to process. Wait for the photo to upload fully. You'll see a small progress indicator, and once it's done, the image will appear in your Uploads library with a clear thumbnail. After the upload finishes, click the newly added photo in the Uploads panel. Clicking once will place it right onto your canvas. If your template has an image placeholder or frame, you can drag the photo over the frame until it snaps in, which automatically fits it to that shape. From here, you can resize and move your image. Use the corner handles to scale it proportionally and drag to position it exactly where you want. Canva's smart guides help you align things neatly. If the image is inside a frame, you can drag to reposition the visible area and use the handles to adjust the fit. That's it. Your picture is now in your Canva template, looking polished and ready to go.